Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix iPhone touchscreen not working. So, the screen isn't working on your iPhone sometimes. It could happen when charging and receiving incoming calls. Your iPhone doesn't seem to respond to button presses, register your touch, or detect finger taps. You keep trying to swipe up the lock screen but you can't unlock your iPhone at all. You also try to turn it off and restart but it doesn't allow you to do that. If this is your case, keep watching and we'll show you how to fix an unresponsive iPhone touchscreen. First, let's quickly go through some scenarios that most users in the Apple discussions community might encounter iPhone touchscreen not responding to touch. You're messaging or watching video and all of a sudden the iPhone touchscreen stopped working completely. Your screen is too sensitive, where the display gives a series of responses in 1 second. Your iPhone display responds to touch intermittently. Your iPhone touchscreen doesn't work in some areas only. Next, take a look at the common reasons why iPhone touchscreen is not responding to touch. Dirty screen, fingerprints, grime, or oil on the screen can create a barrier between the screen and your finger, which can cause the touchscreen not to respond on your iPhone. Poor screen protector. A screen protector with low quality could interfere with the iPhone's touchscreen functionality because it can prevent the device from accurately detecting touch inputs. Problematic apps. Resource-intensive or incompatible apps can affect touchscreen responsiveness. Stuck accessories connection. If the accessory is not properly designed or installed, it may interfere with the touchscreen's functionality. Unknown software glitches. Overheating or overcooling. Liquid in iPhone. It's common to see that the iPhone touchscreen is not working after water. Loose connection. Now, follow me to try each iPhone touchscreen not working fix in the following to solve all kinds of potential issues. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods step by step, making it easy to learn how to fix iPhone screen not responding to touch by yourself. Besides, if you have any questions about attempting these tricks to iPhone touchscreen no response, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. The first fix is to do a restart. Restarting is the very first step to do when your iPhone touchscreen is acting up. If you're using an iPhone 10, 11, or later iPhone models, do this to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the volume up or down button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right and wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you're using an iPhone 8 or older iPhone models, do this to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right and wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Now, see if iPhone's touchscreen begins working properly. If not, move to the next step. The second fix is to do a force restart. Don't worry if you find the touchscreen doesn't let you swipe the power off slider when restarting. You can do a force restart instead to make the phone display respond to touch again. If you're using an iPhone 8, iPhone 10, or later iPhone models, do this to force restart your device. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you're using an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the volume down button and side button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. If you're using iPhone 6s or older iPhone models, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the home button and the sleep or wake button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. In most cases, iPhone touchscreen should work again after hard reset. If your screen still isn't working, or the unresponsive screen issue happens again, try the methods below. The third fix is to delete problematic apps. Problematic apps can cause an iPhone touchscreen to stop responding to touch due to various reasons such as software glitches, conflicts with other apps, or insufficient memory. If your screen stops working and becomes unresponsive exactly when you open a specific app, it might be at fault. If the touchscreen responds intermittently and you can still enter your iPhone, try these steps to delete the app. Go and find the app in your iPhone home screen. Press and hold the app icon. Tap Remove App. Tap Delete App. Tap Delete to confirm. Repeat the steps until you delete all the apps you think that could cause the iPhone screen not working problems. The fourth fix is to clean touch screen. A dirty screen on an iPhone can cause the touchscreen to not respond properly because the dirt or debris can interfere with the electrical signals that are transmitted between the screen and the phone's processor. This can cause the processor to misinterpret or ignore touch inputs. To fix this issue, remove the screen protector and phone case if you have one on your iPhone. Next, try cleaning the screen with a soft, dry cloth or a microfiber cloth. Avoid using water or cleaning solutions, as they can damage the screen. Once you're assured that your screen is clean and free of any debris or water, force restart your iPhone and see if your device's touchscreen begins working and responding to touch normally. The fifth fix is disconnect cables. If the accessories connected to your iPhone are not certified by Apple, they may interfere with the touchscreen's responsiveness. This can happen if the accessory sends signals that conflict with the touchscreen or if it draws power away from the phone. To fix this issue, try disconnecting any accessories from your iPhone. For example, Lightning, USB-C, headphones, and so on. Check if the touchscreen works and starts responding again. If the touchscreen is working properly now, you may need to replace the accessory with one that is certified by Apple. The sixth fix to do an update. Some of you might have tried to connect your iPhone to a computer and iTunes or Finder to do an update. You fail to connect because you can't unlock the iPhone to trust the computer and use accessories due to the screen not responding to any touch and taps. Worry not. We'll introduce a fix to that and give you the detailed steps to update your iPhone with an unresponsive touchscreen. Get a working USB cable. Get a Windows or a Mac laptop or desktop. Download iTunes or Finder application on your computer. Get your unresponsive iPhone. Once you've prepared everything, now let's start. Run iTunes or Finder on your computer. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to a computer. Depending on your iPhone model, you'll need to follow different steps to enter recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and later models, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the side button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 6s and earlier models, press and hold the home button and the side, or top, button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, iTunes or Finder will detect it and prompt you to update or restore your device. Choose the update option to download and install the latest available iOS version. The process might take a very long time, but it's worth it. Once done, let your iPhone restart. The seventh fix is to do a factory reset. Your iPhone touchscreen still isn't responding after update? You'll have no choice but do a factory reset. Same as updating your iPhone. Put it into recovery mode and reset it using iTunes or Finder. Run iTunes or Finder on your computer. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to a computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. For my iPhone 11, I'll need to press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Now, when you see this dialog box in your computer, choose the Restore option to erase all data and settings on your iPhone and restore it to its factory settings. Wait for the restore process to complete. Maybe 1 hour, maybe 3 hours. After the restore is complete, your iPhone should restart and prompt you to go through the initial setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. Hopefully, touch screen on your iPhone works and responds to touch now. The eighth fix is to contact an expert. Dropping an iPhone or exposing it to water can damage the touchscreen or the internal components that control touch input, resulting in a non-responsive touchscreen. Also, a cracked screen could be causing your iPhone's touchscreen to freeze. If this is your case, set up service for your iPhone to fix the unresponsive touchscreen. You can either make a Genius Bar reservation or visit an Apple-authorized service provider for repair. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix iPhone touchscreen not working. We sincerely hope that the troubleshooting steps we've shared have been effective in resolving your issue. Remember, if you ever encounter any issues with your iPhone or any other device, don't hesitate to seek help in Cora Radar. There are plenty of video resources available to you. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back to working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.